Hi there, my name is Raymond. If you are tired of not getting sales on Redbubble.com till now, and if you wanna get your first sale on Redbubble depending on trends, so this video is for you because this video would help you to get your desire quickly. Thus, please focus with me in this video and I will show you a super amazing hack on Redbubble.com to get the most exclusive and recent trends that no one has uncovered for you before. However, before I get in this hot topic today, I would like you to support me with your nice like and comment, and I would appreciate it when you subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks for making money online in many fields like print-on-demand business and affiliate marketing and others. And now, how to get the most exclusive trends on Redbubble. Firstly, I recommend you to work on specific niches or sub-niches like swimming, coffee, sisters, Christmas, and others. And instead of chasing many trends that leads you to be bombarded with and being too late for making designs, you can only be focused on some specific niches. And then you can come here to this homepage of redbubble.com, and here in the search bar you can searching for any trends about your specific niches. I will give you some examples. If you are working on niche like fitness, okay, here you can type fitness like that, and here you will find any trend that are related to this keyword or this specific niche. Okay, I will give you an example like sister. Okay, and here you can find this trend. You can't scare me, I have 4 sisters. So you are get a specific trend for that specific niche, and as a result you get some exclusive trends for your specific niches that many people are interested in and searching for, and you will be one of the lucky guys who work on set trends and being in the front line of its sellers in God willing. And here there is one more tip for you, that you can just modify your keywords regarding your specific niche. I will give you an example. If you are working on niche gaming, so you can type here any keywords that are related to gaming niche, like games, video games, gamers, gaming, and so on. That makes you get more trends in this niche. And now you know how to catch the most exclusive trends on redbubble.com and get sales from. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and it will be my pleasure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks for making money online in POD and affiliate marketing and others. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and goodbye.